Well, the gas leak at the SoCal Gas Aliso Canyon storage facility near Porter Ranch has been officially capped and sealed. Regulators have given thousands of residents who moved away the green light to return home. Rasha Goel has more.
4 months after it began, the gas leak in the country's fifth largest natural gas storage field in Porter Ranch has been sealed for good, state officials announced. Crews were able to stop the leaking by pumping heavy fluids into the leak, followed by cement injections. State regulators have completed integrity tests, and air quality officials have confirmed that the flow of gas has stopped. Health officials said they believe it's now safe for residents to move back home. But the leak has exposed bigger issues facing the utility. U.S. Energy Secretary Ernest Moniz, who recently toured the site with local, state, and federal officials, said changes are needed in energy storage and infrastructure.
Frankly, gas storage fields need a fresh look in terms of some of the regulatory requirements. That was clearly brought home here. That's being done.
Officials agreed the aging infrastructure is a priority that needs to be addressed now. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman, who is a Porter Ranch resident, said it's clear who should bear the costs.
And the higher insurance costs that I'm sure SoCal Gas will be paying in the future should be the responsibility of shareholders.
The Aliso Canyon gas leak, which was reported in October, prompted the temporary relocation of thousands of Porter Ranch residents and surrounding communities. But now that the residents will be returning, LA Mayor Eric Garcetti and Congressman Sherman said they need to know what they're dealing with.
So we talked about the idea of coordinating, whether it's a task force or a technical group that would help bring the studies of what's been released, have an understanding of what the health effects on the short and long term are, and give that information to the people.
Many residents would like to see, and I join them in this, an infrared camera on every well that's in Aliso Canyon, together with a gauge that measures mercaptan and methane that's on the web, available 24/7, so that we can feel safe as we live in our homes.
Meanwhile, the city's Los Angeles Emergency Management Department is leading recovery efforts for the Porter Ranch community. EMD has opened a local assistance center in the community to provide a centralized location where residents and businesses can access programs and services to help them return home and to their normal routines. I'm Rasha Goel for LA This Week.
Los Angeles 311 City Services, the LAPD, and Los Angeles Department of Economic and Workforce Development are among the several departments that are providing services at the Assistance Center.